everyone, it's Jordan Robertson with Benzinga, and joining me today is John Vlay, CEO of Graze Mowing. Thanks so much for being here, John. How are you?
I'm great, Jordan. Thank you, and thanks for having me today.
Can you give us an overview of Graze?
Yeah, so what we're doing is we're building an electric autonomous lawnmower, with a 60-inch mow deck, which is really built for commercial purposes, not so much like the smaller Roomba types that you see that are more for residential. We're really looking for commercial use, golf courses, city parks, corporate centers, anywhere with a large lawn.
What about your technology is different from the competition? Is any of it proprietary?
Yes, we've got patents pending, and we use a suite of technology utilizing LiDAR for obstacle detection, obstacle avoidance, GPS for path planning, so we can map out the perimeter and the parallel lines. We also are using cameras and sensors, so they all work together to have the mower go in parallel lines within the perimeters. And one thing that's a little bit different from some of the other competition is we're building out both the hardware and the software. So they work hand in glove with each other, which helps our patents become stronger.
What expertise does the leadership team bring to the table?
So my experience is in the landscape industry for over 30 years. So I've got a lot of that landscape knowledge. But what's really important with the rest of the leadership team is the engineering experience. We've got our CTO, Felix, who used to work at Waymo with autonomous vehicles, Praveen, who's our product manager, who's got worked at Pepsi with supply chain experience. We've got a project manager. We've got incredible software engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, roboticists. So we've got a whole team of engineers. We also have a team of marketing experts and helping with venture to reach out both for the crowdfunding as well as going after institutional investors.
How has working with a venture builder helped Graze to get where it is today?
So what's amazing about them is they put in the initial seed money for us to start crowdfunding back in 2019. But Vibu is also a robotic incubator. So they bring all of that engineering talent, marketing talent, venture team talent together to have helped us get to where we are today. So they've been an incredible partner to get us started, to get us to where we are, and ultimately get us to the next level, which will be going to contract manufacturing, going to scale, and introducing our mowers to the market.
What kind of interest have you had? Do you have any pre-sales?
Yeah, so we've got quite a few non-binding letters of intent, actually from all over the world. By doing crowdfunding, it's not only the ability to raise money, but it's also a lot of marketing and branding. So we've got over 350 pre-orders. We've got 50 from a company in Australia. We've got 70 from a distributor in the UK, and the rest are from various landscape contractors around the United States.
And lastly, how will automation and AI change the labor market over the next 5 years?
So it's interesting, everybody I talk to in the landscape industry, they're so excited about what we're doing. They know that this is definitely the future, and there's such a labor shortage in landscaping that they can't find enough people to even, do the jobs that they have. So if they can take one of the most labor-intensive aspects of it, lawn mowing, and have it automated so that they can upskill the rest of their labor force doing irrigation technology, integrated pest management, irrigation, etc., that will help them grow their companies as well as be more profitable, because lawn mowing is pretty much a commodity where everybody has to do it. But I think too, the technology will ultimately become ubiquitous, where a lot more than just lawnmowers become automated, and that will really help free up the very manual labor to be more skilled. And so the people will be able to get trained up and make more money, which will be better for them and their families. So whereas there's also, with AI starting to take hold, there's kind of two camps. There's, it's going to be great for humanity, and, it's going to take over. The machines are going to take over. I personally feel that, whenever we have increases in technology, it ultimately helps humanity. When the fax machine first came out, I thought that was going to be the end of FedEx, because nobody's going to be paying to, move documents around. But it kept growing. People with a personal computer. Oh, it's going to take my jobs away. It only created more jobs and a whole new IT department. So I think as we adjust to the artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, it's just going to, if anything, it might change the 40-hour work week to a 35-hour work week, a 30-hour work week, and ultimately improve the lives of everybody.
That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for being here and sharing all of your insights. I hope to have you back real soon.
Great. Thank you so much, Jordan. Bye-bye.